Today I'm going to talk about ways to make money by playing games. And you can download these games on Google Play Store. The first one I'm going to talk about is Lucktastic. It's a Android app and you play free scratch cards to earn points. Once you redeem those points, if you have 3 matching for the scratches, like 3 jackpots, 3 leprechauns, 3 whatever type of symbols, you can win the grand prize of, let's say, $100, $500, 1,000, and so forth. All you gotta do is match 3 to win, and then all you gotta do is once you win, you enter your information through their website on the app, personal information like name, address, and so forth, so they can mail you your check. They pay you by check. Or they can also pay by PayPal if you have a PayPal account. And you can win prizes after you earn a certain amount of points. You can turn for gift cards like Amazon, PayPal gift card, Google Play Store, Home Depot, Walmart, like daily gift cards for your favorite store. The next one is Lucky Day. You win real money. You can play like blackjack to earn points in order to convert them into cash. If you get 3 matching symbols, you can win the grand prize. Like say you win $1,000, and you can join every day around like 8 to 10 at night. There'll be a login bonus. You get points, and you can join to win like a jackpot based on how many entries you enter within like one day. Because they have drawings every day. Anybody who didn't win, the jackpot grows bigger and bigger as time goes by. And you can also use it to get gift cards as well, as I mentioned. They have Amazon, Walmart, Dunkin' Donuts, Target, and etc. You can win raffle prizes to win. There's like a lot of sweepstakes, and it's affiliated, and they all pay you. So far, I already won about $100 as a small prize. This is a matter of chance and time. The more you play, the more your chances. Next one I'm going to talk about is Place Spot. Place Spot. You download the app. They tell you you download that gaming app, and they pay you for amount of coins. After you accumulate a certain amount of coins, you can turn it into Amazon gift card, a credit card, like a debit card for gift card to go anywhere in the store. They can go like grocery store, retail store, and so forth, or MasterCard gift card. And if you win cash, they'll pay through mostly PayPal. Yeah, pay you directly on PayPal. So we win like a big cash prize. Send it. I just have a PayPal account. So next one I'm going to talk about is Coin Plus. Coin Plus, it's a dice game with a board. You just roll it, and if you get like a 6, and wherever you land, you earn gems and coins. If you land on money symbol, you win actual cash. When you hit about like $3 minimum, cash out, and it goes straight to your PayPal account. And the coins and gems can be used for obtaining like gift cards online on their app. Just enter your email. It's mostly like electronical. And I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye.